Namaskar. Dear Indians, my brothers and sisters, this is Commander Sudhir Kumar, and again I am going to talk to you about why we must give up the Chinese made products. There are certain reasons for this. The first reason is that over a period of time that our imports from China have increased to an unprecedented level. Today, India is having a trade deficit which is nearly 95 to 100 billion US dollars. This is about 6 lakh crore to 7 lakh crore. It's a huge amount. And if we are losing that kind of money to China, you can see that what is an impact on Indian economy. If I put it this way, that in last 15 years, if this trade deficit has been increasing, that what could have been an effect on our industry, especially the effect on our MSME sector, Kutir Udyog, on artisans, craft work, handicrafts, glass industry, brass industry, all these sectors have been badly affected because some Indians, some people, some businessmen in India had been lured by China in a strategy which was planned, and the cheaper goods from China they have brought and dumped into an Indian market. Today you talk about anything, even agarbatti, even Lakshmi, Ganeshji, Murti, everything is made in China and we are buying it. We are using the lights in Diwali celebrations. We have forgotten diyas. What I am bringing to you again and again, that our economy has been hit by these few peoples, the greedy peoples of India. Those are importing the cheap goods from China and dumping into our markets. So today I call you Indians that please, I request you all that instantly give up Chinese made products immediately. Especially I would like to appeal the youth of India that you are our future generation. You know what is an impact on our economy. You are in huge numbers in India, those are using Chinese products. It is you first that you have to give up it and instantly remove all the Chinese apps from your mobile. And if you can't give up your mobile, you have to plan in next 2 to 3 months that you will get away with the Chinese made mobiles and you will buy in Indians the mobiles, those are going to be manufactured in India. With this, the another reason why I am calling, why I am in so much of anger against China. Whatever mistake our predecessors or that time leadership in India did in 1962, that we were not able to use our air force against China, and whatever the reason is a huge territory which has been taken by China. Yes, we have got in heart that we must get that territory back. Today, China has become a very strong power. China is showing muscles because they have got weapons. They have got continental missiles, ICBMs, SLBMs, and all these missiles are nuclear tipped. But how can we make China weak? It is only economically. And how we can make it? That in our hand is that we stop buying Chinese products, and if we do this, what we are going to do? We are going to save that 6 to 7 lakh crore annually. And that is These savings will go this savings will go towards our MSME, towards our artisans, towards our cottage industries. Those are spread in India, and I am sure the Indian industry will again flourish. Dear friends, please see to it that once again China is showing muscles in Ladakh. They did incursion. Our forces have given a befitting reply and they have pushed them back. And if any aggression is thought of China, I am sure that China will have it, and they will see that our mighty forces are going to defeat them. But here, finally, once again I come to it, that why we can't make him economically weak. If we make China economically weak, its economy is going to suffer, and it will help the Chinese people. Please try to understand what now I am going to talk in next 2 to 3 minutes. The Chinese people are the bonded slaves. They do what their mighty communist heads or the government heads along with few powerful businessmen ask them to do. They don't have their life what people are having in a democratic setup. By virtue of that, the China is interested or expanding its influence all over the world. You see, it's not only at the borders of India, but even in South China Sea, against Vietnam and many other countries, and the kind of any trade with any country around the world, the China has got the same practices that it wants to become the only superpower in the world. The last is that I'll talk about COVID-19. Whatever had been the reason, the China has not divulged details about the spread of this pandemic, and by virtue of that the entire world is facing. So today is time that entire world is standing with us, and China is showing us its ambitions at our border. We have to make China suffer. And how China can suffer? If we do this, if we overcome the trade deficit with China and we stop buying its product, I am sure India economy will grow, Indian local industries will grow, and we will move towards self-reliance. With this, once again, please give up made in China products today itself. Thank you very much.